I'm Mark, the Compost Operations Manager. We offer two types of products here at Beneficial Reuse. We offer a compost and we also offer a mulch product. The compost include Dyno Dirt, Dyno Soil, and Dyno Light. Dyno Dirt is a nutrient-rich compost made of yard waste and biosolids. For best results, mix Dyno Dirt with soil. Dyno Soil is a blend of sandy soil and Dyno Dirt. Dyno Soil is pre-mixed, so you can plant directly into it. Dyno Light is a moisture-retaining compost that's made with no biosolids, using 100% composted yard waste. Our mulch products include our Dyno Double Grind and our Dyno Deco Colored Mulch. Our Dyno Double Grind is made from recycled brush. It has excellent moisture retaining properties and helps in the reduction of weed growth. Our Deco Colored Mulch comes in red, brown, and black. Our products are sold by the cubic yard and are loaded expertly into the back of your truck or trailer. Additionally, Dyno Dirt is sold in individual bags. Our hours are 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday. We hope to see you soon.